Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to add your high school on Instagram. If you're ready to showcase your alma mater on your profile, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Once you're in the profile settings, tap on the Bio section. Here is where you can add your high school information. Type in the name of your high school in the bio section. After you've typed in your high school, make sure to review and double-check for any errors. Once you're satisfied with the information, tap the check icon at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added your high school to your Instagram profile. Now anyone who visits your profile will know where you went to high school. Adding your high school to your Instagram profile is a great way to connect with fellow alumni and show off your school pride. So don't wait any longer. Follow these steps and represent your high school on your Instagram profile today.